In manufacturing, we're always looking for ways to improve our operations, and innovation is a key to staying ahead. Efficiency means better productivity and happier employees. Sustainability is not just a buzzword for us, it's a commitment to future generations. When we heard about AQUASEA Liquid Minerals, we were intrigued. Could switching from bags of sea salt to liquid sea minerals be the solution we were searching for? We had to find out. We decided to give AQUASEA a try. Our engineers were able to pump directly into our mixers, making our manufacturing process more efficient. Switching from traditional solid sea salts to AQUASEA Liquid Minerals has been a game-changer for our business. Since we switched to AQUASEA, our performance metrics have improved across the board. The financial benefits are clear and significant. Our safety team says that making the switch lowered our risk of soft tissue injuries. One of the things that makes AQUASEA so effective is its liquid form and concentration of trace minerals. Traditional bags of sea salt are bulky and it takes up valuable storage space on our manufacturing floor. When the bags break or leak, they cause a mess and require manual handling of the sea salts, which presents an opportunity for cross-contamination and recalls. Our associates don't like lifting the heavy bags of sea salt, and they say the mixing time is longer trying to get the solids to dissolve in the mixer. Sometimes clumps can jam our machines, causing downtime. And our safety team is happier now because we reduced the injury risk profile by not using traditional sea salts, and our risk management team is happier because traditional sea salts sometimes contain heavy metals. AQUASEA Liquid Minerals allowed us to have seamless integration into our production processes because we pump them directly into our production stream. The SeaMinerals have a lower sodium profile, which is healthier and easier on our equipment. Now, we have no more wasted minerals. This process change not only saves costs, but also supports our commitment to sustainability. Switching to AQUASEA has significantly reduced our production costs. We're no longer wasting sea salt, reducing our labor to clean up broken bags of sea salt on our production floor. We have seen significant savings since we made the switch, and can operate with less headcount. We are committed to sustainability. Our mission is to create a brighter future by making environmentally conscious choices in every aspect of our business. By making the switch to AQUASEA's concentrated liquid mineral ingredient, we reduce transportation costs, lowering emissions, and this is good for our planet. We found that using AQUASEA aligns perfectly with our values. This innovative process change helped us achieve some of our sustainability goals. We are proud to partner with a company that shares our commitment to sustainability. Together, we can achieve more. We encourage other businesses to consider adopting AQUASEA's SeaMinerals. It's not just a product, it's a step towards a sustainable and profitable future. Contact sales@seaminerals.net today.